Hey guys, this is Simran and today I will show you how to create your resume at your own and absolutely free. For this, open the website resumemaker.online in your web browser. Click on Design My Resume. A blank template for resume with fillable options will open. You will need to fill your details in this. Start with uploading your own picture. Write your full legal name. Write your profession. Now fill the details. Add your experience. Click on Education tab. Start typing your degrees. Please make sure to start with your recent degree. After you have filled your basic information, you are almost done. If you want to add more sections, click on the Sections tab on the top bar. From here, add some more sections you want to add on your resume. Some of these you must add to your resume to make it more professional and attractive. Your career objective. It will tell your employer about what you want to achieve or your long-term goals in your career. Your marital status. However, some employers are very specific about the marital status of your employees. So it depends on your employer if you want to turn this on or off. Now start adding some of your social networking sites. You must add LinkedIn as it is a professional networking website. You must add some skills. This will make you stand out among the other candidates for the interview. Complementary skills. These are the additional skills your employer will look out for apart from the concerned skills of the specific job. Any additional information you would like to tell about yourself which you think will make you stand out for the interview and help you grab the opportunity. Now fill the remaining options you have added from the Sections tab. You can add as much as you want in your professional skills and click on this round to increase or decrease the percentage of your skills. How much do you know about that particular skill? If you are very professional, go with 100%. Add the link to your profile. After you are done, click on the preview button to see how it looks. As you can see, it looks very attractive and professional. Now click on the download button to download the PDF. As you can see, it's downloaded in my PC and here is my professional resume. You can print the hard copy of this resume or send the soft copy to your potential employer. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for the new videos. Thank you for watching.